Good day, my name is Erlani P. Joseph Jr. from BSIT4A, and this is the redeem of our application, Buildmore. Now we have the recommended items. You can choose whether entry level, mid-range level, enthusiast level, a high-end level, or enthusiast level. Let's click entry level and let's add it to the cart. It has been successfully added to the cart. Then next, let's click My Cart. Here in My Cart, you can see that the components are separated. Storage, webcam or the peripherals, webcam, monitor, keyboard, mouse. Then the GPU and the cooling solutions, cases, RAM, motherboard, and CPU. And you can also see the total price of the product. Then now let's click buy now. If you don't have any address, you can add one. Let's add the address link. Then the city. Then the postal code. Let's click add address. And it has been successfully added. And now let us click the address and let's continue to payment. Here you can choose whether online payment method, the Razor Pay, or COD. Let's click Razor Pay. If you click Razor Pay, you can also add your credit card due or ATM cards if you want, if you don't have any Razor Pay account. And then next, let's go to the COD. Here in the COD, you can see the details. You can see your details, like your name and your address, and the total price of your product. And it is standard shipping. And you can also see the name of the products. Then let's place order. It will ask you if you want to place order now. Let's click no, it will do nothing. And the next, let's click yes. Order successful. And if you want to cancel your order, you can go to my orders and just click cancel order. Order has been successfully cancelled. That is all. Thank you.